Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine tutorial. I'm Abiakash here. Today I'm showing you how to make a NPC in your game map, and this will be your NPC and move around to the world, and we are replacing the mannequin to our meta human. We make a custom based meta human NPC. So let's begin. First of all, we have to go our third person folder, and here we have a blueprint. I already make a MPC folder, but I show you from beginning. We just copy our BP third person character, pressing Ctrl D, and we name it BP AI, not BPA, BP MPC Meta. Okay, and we open the folder here. Viewport. Report. We just don't need the camera and camera boom, so we just delete that things. And this is our MPC character. Okay, compile. We are done here, nothing to do. And now we just download a meta human. If you don't know how to download a meta human and create a meta human, you can see my previous tutorial. Here is meta human. I have local file. It takes too much time, so I already downloaded. You just download and add it to your map. Okay, and you just press import. And we add the character here. Now we just go our content browser, and here is a meta human option. We already have two, and we download this meta human character. You can see there is no animation or animation loop in here. The first you have to set something here in the class settings. Their parent class is actor. We select it, our BP MPC meta. I can't find why. First BP PC meta. We just wait. We select it here, and in the root we just drag it to the mesh character and set the location transformation is set back to 0. And now we just go to our variable section. There is option called live retargeting mode. We just take this, use live retarget mode. Okay, so this is retargeting our MPC meta. And also now we go to the mesh character and search here visibility, and we just untick the visibility here. And it's very important that you also select always stick pose and refresh bond. Done. So this is our MPC. So now we create a function for this MPC. So we are going to event graft. We already have a event begin place, so we duplicate it to add to call to parent function. And here we also search AI move to, and for the pawn we say self, and direction we search get random reachable point in radius. Okay, and The origin is get player location. Sorry, get actor location. Actor location. Okay, good job. And the radius is it 1000. So now we check is it work or not. Okay, pilot, drag him to our map. Okay, and let's see it's move or not. Yes, guys, let's move, but it's move and stop because it's next target. And also there was important if you saw your character is not moving because for the nav mesh what you also add the nav mesh volume. Okay, I've already add the nav mesh volume, just I uh, delete it because it's for the beginner, will not know about it. So you can see when you drag him here they are not moving because we don't add nav mesh. So we just go to our plus button and here we search nav, select nav mesh and we set it how much we want. Just press P. Select our map here. Press P. You can see the green line. This means AI can move here, but otherwise your AI can't move. So now we just make it bigger, okay? Because we want our AI move whole the map, okay? Just drag it down and make it up little more. Now you can see the whole place is now in green. They can move from there to there everywhere, okay? So press P, using one. So now we add the nav mesh and now we can see our AI can move. Okay, so we just make our NPC move all around the map and is a looping. So how can we do it? We just go to our AI NPC here and okay, we just make a custom event here, custom, and a custom event and call it an NPC roaming. Okay, roaming, and just here this is our NPC roaming event. Make it custom. Okay, and here also on success you just press NPC roaming. Okay, success and fail also, and the target is self. Okay, self, compile, and in the beginning, parent beginning, we just select NPC roaming. Type itself. Now we make a custom event here. We just call it PC room. Okay. So this means when the event begin, this event is start. Okay. Just to compile it. And now we can see our character is move and moving, stop and moving, and you can make it is more beautiful. Just add a delay here. Okay, add a delay here. So just add a delay for 2 seconds. Okay, okay, and now it will be more beautiful. So let's see. Just run and wait for 2 seconds, and then run and move around here. So it's so too easy to make your realistic NPC in the game, and is too much beautiful and easy. Look at this, our NPC will move around here. So that's you can make your own NPC. So thank you for this easy class. Please subscribe me and support me.